The Outlook issue where it's open, and once we close it, it will not open again. So we'll click on Outlook, it just won't open at all. So if we go here, we see here Outlook is closing, so it's still trying to close from its last session, and it never will finish entirely closing. We'll let this run for a couple hours. It'll never entirely close, and it'll just be stuck at this. Two options in fixing this issue: we have to restart the computer, obviously we'll kick that out, or we can just go to Task Manager, and then we can go right here to Outlook, Process, and manually kill the program, and then we force close the program, and that will typically bring it back. But obviously that's not the right way we want to do it, so we're trying to find a solution. Right here we have to end task, it will close it, then we open Outlook, then it'll open up fine, no problem. This is not just happening on this one computer. We've seen it happen on this desktop, another Windows 10 desktop, a Windows 7 desktop, and a Windows 7 laptop. So about 4 computers now we've seen this issue happen. So if you guys could find out what's happening with the latest copy of that, I think it's Office 365, that would be great to see what's causing this issue. Thanks.